So be with me always to learn the sweet language that is Bishnupriya. Homa Janelu, here I am Tapati Singh from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share a parts of speech. You know that there are so many parts of speech in English as well as in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share one of them, that is pronoun. I have already uploaded 2 videos on noun and preposition. Today I am going to share only pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, pronoun means সর্বনাম. বাক্য বা পারেঙাহানৰ ভিতৰে যে শব্দগ বিশেষ্য বা বিশেষ্য পদগুচ্ছৰ পটাবহের ও শব্দ গলতাই সর্বনাম পদক. Now, let me clear what is noun. Noun is a naming word. You know that. What is noun phrase? Noun phrase utakita. I'm going to give some examples of noun phrase. A newcar means Noa Gariahan. I repeat, Noa Gariahan. A big elephant. Dangor Atiago. A big elephant. Dangor Atiago. An old umbrella. Puranna Satyago. A beautiful woman. Chunapi Beapago. These are the examples of noun phrase. Now, let me share some examples of pronoun. The first one is I, you, me, we, he, she, them, they, these, that, those, everybody, someone, etc., etc. The meaning in Bishnupriya Manipuri. I means me, you means ti, we means ami, me means more, he means ta, she means te, this means ego, that means ogo, they means tanu, them means tanure, everybody means habigoi, someone means kungoago, someone means kungo ago. So these are the examples of pronoun in Bishnupriya Manipuri as well as in English. You know that there are so many pronouns in Bishnupriya Manipuri as well as in English. I have only shared some of them. Now, let me share some sentences using these pronouns. The first one is, I am writing a book. In this sentence, I is pronoun. I is pronoun. I am writing a book. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, me lyric ahan ikoria asu. Me lyric ahan ikoria asu. In this sentence, in Bishnupriya Manipuri sentence, me is pronoun. Me ugo sharbonam podogo. The second sentence is, can you help me? Can you help me? Ti more shohay kore parteita. Can you help me? In this sentence, you and me are pronouns. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, ti and more are pronouns. You means ti, me means more. So these two words are pronouns. The third sentence is, we are playing together. আমি আকপাকে খেলিয়া আছি. We means আমি. We are playing. আমি খেলিয়া আছি. Together means akpake. Together means akpake. So it will be ami akpake kheliya asi. In this sentence, we is pronoun. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, ami is pronoun. We means ami. Ami is pronoun. The fourth sentence is he is hiding behind the door. He means ta. He is hiding. Ta lukeya ase. Behind pichete the door duarhanor. So it will be ta duarhanor pichete lukeya ase. Ta duarhanor pichete lukeya ase. In this sentence, he is pronoun. He means ta. Ta is pronoun in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Ta is pronoun. The next sentence is she has many chocolates in her pocket. She has terta ase. She has means terta ase. Many chocolates. Nyampa chocolate in her pocket. In her pocket. Her means ter. Pocket means pocket. In her pocket means pocket got. Terta ter pocket got. Nyampa chocolate ase. She has many chocolates in her pocket. Terta, I repeat, terta ter pocket got. Nyampa chocolate ase. In this sentence, she is pronoun and her is pronoun. She and her are pronouns. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, ter and terta are pronouns. The next sentence is they have completed homework. They means tanu have completed lomkore belasi. Homework means goror kam. So it will be they have completed homework. Tanu goror kam lomkore belasi. In this sentence, they is pronoun. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, tanu is pronoun. The next sentence, it is a beautiful bag. Ego, it means ego. A beautiful bag. Beautiful means hoba, or sometimes we say chunapa. So it will be ego chunapa bag. Ago. Bag means bag. So it will be ego chunapa bag ago, or ego hobba bag ago. In this sentence, in Bishnupriya Manipuri, ego is pronoun. It is pronoun. The next sentence is we should invite them. We should invite them. We means ami should invite. Barton korani thok. Invite or invitations mean barton. Should invite thok. Barton korani thok. We should invite them. Them means tanure. So it will be we should invite them means ami tanure barton korani thok. In this sentence, we is pronoun, them is pronoun. We means ami. Ami is pronoun in Bishnupriya Manipuri, and them means tanu or tanure. Tanure is pronoun. The next sentence is someone is knocking at the door. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone means pungo agoi. Someone is knocking. Knocking means dog dog dena. Knocking means dog dog dena. At the door, dwar hanat. At the door, door means dwar. At the door, at is preposition. One video has been uploaded on preposition. At is preposition. Okay. So, someone is knocking at the door. Kungo agoi dwar hanat dog dog diase. Someone is pronoun. Someone means kungo agoi. Kungo agoi is pronoun in Bishnupriya Manipuri. These two words, someone in Bishnupriya Manipuri, kungo agoi, these words are pronouns. The next sentence is, their house is on the hill. There means tanur. There is pronoun. Tanur is pronoun. Their house is on the hill. Tanur Gorgo. Their house means Tanur Gorgo is on the hill. Hill means Tengara. Hill means Tengara. So it will be Tanur Gorgo Tengara Gor Goje Ase. Their house is on the hill. Tanur Gorgo Tengara Gor Goje Ase. Okay, this is the last sentence. Now, let me repeat only the pronouns again. I means me, you means thee, me means more, she means they, he means ta, we means ami, they means tanu, them means tanure, it means ego, her means their, someone means kunguagoi, there means tanur, their house, tanur gorgo. Already I have shared this sentence. Their house is on the hill. There means tanur. So, I hope it's clear to you all, pronoun in English as well as in Bishnupriya Manipuri. So, be with me always to learn the sweet language that is Bishnupriya Manipuri. Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar.